Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to another video of Tech Insights with TPM Academy. Today we are going to talk about technical program managers, TPMs, and what they do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming Tech Insights. Now let's jump into what do TPMs do. Last video I talked about that there is no universal definition for the TPM role because it differs from company to company or team to team. I shared that TPMs or technical program managers drive complex and cross-functional technical programs, leveraging their deep domain expertise, building a holistic execution strategy, and harnessing leadership qualities to deliver business outcomes that have a wide-reaching impact. So let's break that down. See, the TPM role has evolved from the project or the program manager role because there was a need for the TPMs to be technical. TPMs needed to understand the technical systems and the architecture. A lot of the early TPMs came from engineering backgrounds because they had expertise in certain domains or technologies. TPMs are problem solvers with excellent leadership skills and who can motivate their teams to deliver these business objectives. They need to understand the team dynamics, product ecosystem, and the technical landscape. They often work on products and features that are technically complex and across a large number of teams. Let's take an example from my experience. A program that I led was to deliver a conversational AI product or a smart AI assistant like a Google or an Alexa on a new hardware device that the company was building. In this program, I worked across 50 plus engineers across 3 different organizations, from the hardware team to the speech recognition team and the AI assistant team. As you can imagine, working across these 3 groups is very complex because everybody is working on a different system. So it was important as a TPM to understand the entire system and how did the information flow from component to component within that system. For example, if you ask a smart AI assistant a question around what's the weather going to be today, from the question being asked to the answer that's received, the information is flowing through the systems, and it's important that the TPM understands so that if the system is running into any issues, it's easier to figure out which team needs to solve what problem. As a TPM, you also want to be involved in the entire product development lifecycle, from planning, where you're understanding the requirements and prioritizing features, to being part of technical and design reviews so that you're building the best product possible. Then working with engineering on execution and tracking the work, removing any roadblocks, addressing any dependencies, testing your product out so you're delivering a high quality product, and finally figuring out how to launch the product and what are the metrics to track and look at to understand if the program has met its success criteria. In this program particularly, because it was a new product and a new hardware device, there was a lot of ambiguity, a lot of unknowns, which adds to the complexity. Plus, having more people means you need to be highly on top of your communication and leadership skills. So as a TPM, that's what I did. And this is an example of a program where TPMs really are involved in understanding what the product is, working with the teams to build and then deliver that product. We will dive into the core TPM skills in the next video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below with your questions, and I will see you in the next video.